Record.
Dance. In about 5 minutes, it'll go something there.
Oh, shut up.
Start going with foolishness. I realize that anytime it get warm, it start with it foolishness. They don't record something. When I did come up at your school for you,
You record.
Same thing where I record now. But it look like I touch the lens, so it not look clear, but make it stay. So I'll post some of them here, bro. See if I can. Just raw post. No, make it stay. It's alright.
Yeah, so clean the lens.
No sign about that. It look blurry, but it's alright.
I record 2 videos of my own.
Where?
Where?
We do what?
No, that.
Me ask you, we do what? Oh, your phone. You see how long me have one camera up the put up?
Which camera?
One big camera, good camera too. Just because this more portable and easy for work and so forth. The camera that I have up here is a high quality, a good something. This I know mine. My uncle Tommy one. I'm gonna know nothing now with it.
So the other camera.
Which one?
The camera, it just, yeah.
It don't look so well. It don't look. You know the big camera and the lens big.
What picture could I take with that?
I have no idea.
I take a picture at the time.
And also you have a phone, don't you?
Yeah, you don't see that the phone can do everything, though.
It can't do everything, but it can do a lot of things. It can take a picture, don't it? A picture you want.
Go walk with the phone and walk you could have take picture.
Why?
So you couldn't say nothing.
So, me not say nothing. Me I tell you say there's a camera down there that you can use. Isn't that what I said?
But I was able to use the phone.
And yeah, you can use your phone.
But I don't want to.
Okay, I don't know where the camera there. I don't know why you come bother if you look for nothing. Well, as long as you willing to look for it, just don't come bother me every minute.
But you see, I'm trying to show me turn it on.
Sure you can read it for the button when I say power. Or this is the power symbol.
No, we get warm little.
Oh, man, that's something there that's a while ago. Yeah. And oh, the weight mostly they're over to that side.
I get hot liquid in there.
What? I just come and go slowly, so I must correct do this. Then she couldn't do it, go correct done. I'll cut the middle too. I can't do my car stop rope. Yo, what happened to him, Miguel?
Huh?
What happened to him, Miguel?
Eh?
What happened to him, Miguel? What the Miguel, man? we're there, really. level too. Part tight like I must dry them to them. This blasted walkbout dog. She want that not stand in her yard no time. Out of the gate only. Anytime she come in her yard, them beat her. She afraid of them, so she stay out the road.
You think me need to practice?
Practice what?
Practice, my friend name said me need to practice.
Practice, not forget 5 rank on your test. That more I practice.
I just 5 that you act like say I know I'm get that.
No, you forget the whole of them, right? Why your friend them say you need for practice?
I'm going to talk about some change.
We now.
In a football, I'm better than on 2 of them.
What make you a good footballer? Huh?
Practice. One time I think I feel 2 points when you could do. You learn to use the side of your foot. Turn off this. Hey, when you put it up on live stream,
Turn it